Personally, back here again, and today we'll be reacting to how Birds of Prey should have ended Harley Quinn HISHE.
They say, if you want to tell a story right, you gotta start at the beginning. Or you can just change the ending with a nitpicky video about it later on YouTube.
That's pretty much how a lot of this stuff has been lately with this movie.
We lost the diamond. What?
I'm really sorry, Mr. S. This kid...
We never even got our hands on it.
That's not true.
What? Yes, it is. Don't listen to her, boss. She's lying.
No, I'm not. I had the diamond, but this fool took it from me because he didn't trust me carrying it. Then he got himself pickpocketed by a little kid.
No, I didn't. Shut up.
Victor, why would you do that? Why would you lie to me? I'm going to have to ask you to cut your own face off now.
But I don't want to.
Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. But you don't have a choice.
That'll be interesting to see.
Using non-lethal glitter balls.
Quinn's taking us out one by one.
Well, genius, stop taking turns and group up then. We heard you know where Harley Quinn is. Tell us where she is.
This kind of makes the action scene
Give you lots and lots of money.
a little bit purposeless once you figure out it could be solved that simply.
Okay, I guess we'll just go ask someone else kid.
Okay, let's go bring back Harley, that diamond-stealing kid from the funhouse. Just gonna put my phone in my pocket so no private text messages jump out in the open while we
What are
drive.
you talking about?
Nothing. And we're off. And we're off.
You don't think you can stand on your own, Quinn? You're not the type! You need me!
I'm the one they should be scared of. Not you, not Mr. Jim. Because I'm Harley.
No, because I'm not there.
Come where had the Batman been?
You're supposed to be Batgirl. What is that?
Whoops.
You obviously have a lot to learn.
Son of a crap nut. Honey! What happened? That man just swooped in and took everything. Oh, come on. Are you serious? Well, this is Gotham City. He was bound to show up sooner or later. I really thought this time was gonna be different. Not the usual same old song and dance.
Oh God.
What?
So,
You look different.
Much better, I'd say.
Good.
wanna get out of here? Get into some trouble?
I don't need you! Haven't you been paying attention? I got my girls now. Yeah. Yeah, screw you, clown.
Whatever. I don't care. See ya.
Oh, he's so mysterious, and that rumble's out of claws so away. I just can't resist it. Put it, wait for me! Harley, no! Yeah, don't be stupid. I'm sorry, girls. He just looks like what I wanted the first time. Get back together.
Oh my God, Jared, I'm so sorry for you, man.
Not suited up.
Oh, I'd never do that to my snuggles. Besides, I was out of bullets.
I just love how enthusiastic he seems here. I do wonder what kind of relationship it will be with this Harley Quinn and Joaquin Phoenix's.
The ladies have a cafe too. That's cool. So anyways, a friend pooped out this diamond and said it belonged to you. So I thought I'd bring it over because, well...
Because
Oh.
you're Batman?
I was gonna say
Okay.
because it's gross. And I don't want a nasty poop diamond. But
Why
I'm sure
would he even
you're also Batman.
looking
I
through
would
at
watch
that
if I were you.
shit?
So, your rich parents were killed. And now you channel that rage to fight crime. I know what that's like. You want to know my secret identity?
Do you know who I am?
I'm saying to you, want to know who I am. Okay, so cops and Gotham don't like you.
Okay.
Do you want to know my secret?
Barking up the wrong tree there, Batman.
Oh, okay. So you have supersonic voice powers. I can make my voice sound different with technology. Do you want to know?
So you struck out?
What?
That's interesting. I do wonder what kind of relationship it would be with Harley Quinn, this Harley Quinn and Joaquin Phoenix, by the way, because they're obviously not in the same universe. They're completely separated, and we know that Harley Quinn is like trying to get away from the Joker, and the kind of Joker that Joaquin Phoenix portrays is much downer version. I feel like he would not even care. Like, this video suggested about Harley Quinn coming in and out of nowhere to be with him. I don't think it will actually be abusive, but I don't think it will be lovey-dovey either. I think he just not care at least one bit, and he's just like doing his own thing. But other than that, that was actually a good thing that made me thought about. This video is funny. Again, it points out a lot of the things that could have been solved simpler in the movie, actually, and it would have been over. And this is what how should have ended is good at. Thank you guys so much for watching. People like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys next time.